Welcome to 360 Degree Machinery. We are going to take a quick look at a Centauro MM24 bandsaw. If the MM24 designation seems familiar, it's because SCM Minimax had an MM24 that was made by Centauro, and this is pretty much the same saw minus the graphics. Your upper wheels and tires are in good shape. As are your lower. It does have a working foot brake. I will demonstrate that at the end of this video. Let's talk about clearances. You have 23¼ inches from your tabletop to below this hand wheel. 22 7/8 from the left of your blade to the side of your throat. If you were to come in and unlock your guard, and if we twist this all the way up, they would call it 24. I would say 23 7/8 inches from your tabletop to right below your guides. For safety, I'm just going to relower this. Your table does tilt. This machine is powered by a 7.5 horsepower, 220 volt, 3-phase motor. We did add a Laguna DX3 Driftmaster fence to this machine. Really simple to operate. To unlock your fence on the rail, you simply spin this handle, and that's going to engage your gears and allow you to adjust the fence with this hand wheel. If you want to slide down the lineal rail faster, you unlock it here. That's going to pull your gear out and allow you to adjust it faster. Furthermore, you can obviously loosen the plate and slide it and adjust it wherever you want. It is a slotted extruded aluminum. And finally, if you loosen these two hand wheels up and you turn this little knob, you can adjust for drift. It's actually a really nice fence, especially for the money. We're gonna go ahead and start this machine. Quiet running. And again, here is the foot brake. If you have any questions or comments, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com, or you can give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.